search alerts are done on the search result page. And you can see these buttons over here, and it says search actions. And I can save it if I want to, but I can also create my alert. And it's very, very simple to do. There's the name of the alert. That's my search string. I can add in a description if I want to. I have choices, daily, weekly, monthly, as to how often I want to be notified. It tells me when I created it, when it will expire, my full query, and any of the expanders or limiters I might have used. And then it asks you how do you want to receive notifications? Do you want to get them via email? Of course you do. And your email address goes in. You would probably need to fill it in the first time, but because I've done this before, it knows me. And just as we can create a search alert, we can also create a publications alert. So let's take a look at that. Do that for a minute. And the publications appear on the advanced search page on the publications tab. And here is our publication authority. Pick a particular journal. And we can see here all the information about that journal. The coverage dates, our issue tree, just as we have in our classic interface. And then up here, publication tools, and I can create an alert, just as I did for my search. And it's a similar form that I go through and I fill out. And searches will come to me over the course of a year. So we're in the dashboard right now, and the dashboard is best used if you're personalized. So you sign in, and I am personalized here. And we have a bunch of different features on the dashboard. One of them is projects, which I think is really a wonderful feature for students. They can go in and they can save either articles that they're interested in reading, or they can save their searches. And they can create a new project for a class report that they're working on by clicking here. You give it a name, you give it a due date, you can give it a little bit of a description if that's what you want to do. And I have a few set up here. I have Psychology 101, and you can see I saved a couple of records, and I might have saved searches. No, I didn't. So that's one of the features of the dashboard. Another one is the things that as I'm working along, I've saved. And I can see that I have in the past saved myself a couple of records. And then recent activity is from this particular session, the things that I have searched for. So if I click in, it runs the search again.